Virgo, this is your channel messages for I'm sorry, I'm not checking. I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm trying to talk to you. You're not trying to talk to me. Me not understand, Virgo. Me can't bother. It is attendre s'il vous plaît. J'ai cherché la date. C'est la 5 de November. It is the 5th of November, Virgo. On that note, I just want to say something to the public, because there has been a lot of talking on my name and a lot of talking around Scarborough as to where my plate has been. So I just want to make the city of Toronto. I want 311. I need Mr. Bill Blair. Mr. Bill Blair, you know, I want Mr. Bill Blair and Mrs. Blair, good morning, to know that I am expecting my card for Christmas. It is November. The 11th is Remembrance Day. Please remember on the 11th that you need to print the December cards. Come, I need 2 right here, so. Let us go again. On behalf of my country going through this natural disaster at the moment, and what is happening in America, and of course war all over. In the midst of that, Bill Blair did send me a card, so let us read the card again. It says, wishing you a Merry Christmas. That was last year. Happy holidays. It feel like a holiday, Mr. Blair. A safe and prosperous new year. My new year was very prosperous. I cannot say the same about the United States of America, Dominican Republic, Haiti, and Jamaica. Best wishes for 2025. The Honorable Bill Blair, PC, COM, Member of Parliament, Scarborough Southeast. Okay, anyways. I just want to tell the city of Scarborough that in the midst of these rumors and these allegations on my... I want to make it very clear. And I need a very special, a very scintillating, a very word boss artist to help me relay this message. Virgo, the Virgin, talking about a shit on your name. Virgo, tell them this, Virgo. Virgo, talking about who you, them for ask who fucking you. Talk about you going around fucking him, fucking her, fucking my man, fucking them was fucking you. You was fucking them the last time you was on the bottom. You can't fuck if you're on the bottom. You only can't fuck if you're on the top. So if you were never on the top of him, you wasn't fucking him, sweetie. Him was fucking you. Let's go.
Gaza forever. As one gone, the next one born. Introducing Vanessa Bling. As Gaza slim. Feed the girl them what tell them man say.
It's where that pussy dedicated to the man where me love. One man to me. One man. Okay, so I just want you to know that in a ship there is one man. It ain't motherfucking 3. A 1. You know, I was saying to myself, Virgo, the Virgin, I'm sure everybody might have a different opinion. But Virgo, if you ask me, and you know how vulgar and how raw and unfiltered my mouth and my thinking is. I come from Jamaica. That has a big part to do with it. I'm just saying, if you ask me what would be my perfect dynamic in a relationship, if you say you could get 3 different men, 3 husbands. You want 3 husbands? You want 2 husbands? You want not be in a relationship, but you can be with people and still be open to be with other people. Virgo, the Virgin, everybody is different. Everybody go through life experiences differently. I am just saying, even if I could have it any way I want to, like, you know, monogamy would always be what I go back to. Monogamy would always be my top option. If you tell me I could have 3 different husbands or 1 man, I'm going to tell you someone would have preferred the 1 guy. Even if you tell me 3 is legal. Even if you tell me 3 of the guys have known each other. I am telling you, even if me had the option to be with as much people as I want and everybody was okay with it morally. That is not my dream dynamic. And it talks about how free will is. You have the option to do what you want, but what is just because you can do it, just because people get away with it, does that mean that you must jump on a boat too? The last fuckers who jump on a boat went to America as slaves. So I'm just saying, yeah, in this life we have free will. Yeah, you can have sex with as much person as you want. You can be in a relationship and still cheat. You can do all of these things. But me, just I say, you must be very honest with yourself what you want in a life, especially from another person. Is either you're gonna live two different lives, hiding one and then hiding the other, living two of them at different times, or you just be honest with what you want. And I'm just saying, even if it was okay, for even whether that was religiously, and I'm not a religious person, right? But even if it was religiously okay, even if it's spiritually okay for me to have 3 men, me just I say, if you ask me what you think are gonna make you happy, even though you can do anything you want to do, it is monogamy. I would have still choose 1 over 3. If you was a twin, I would still choose you. Okay, anyways, Virgo, let's go ahead and go into your reading because we need to see what the energy is. And right now I'm doing a lot of this and not too much of this, so let's go ahead and go into your reading, Virgo. And let's go with the Lucky Tarot. Virgo, it looks so cute. So I'm not sure if this is something about monogamy, or you're saying to yourself, oh, in life, why do I have to choose? Like Dexter, that's the brother. If King Solomon have woman by the plenty, why can't I? Imagine if God did give him vision. What the guy name? You know, that's how me, Dexter, that's the brother. Dexter, that's the brother. But if King Solomon can't have girl by the bundle, why can't I? Sorry, you would be a dangerous man with vision. Come in and know how you talk so and you don't have vision. That's crazy. Anyways, let's go. So Virgo, you're the virgin. I don't know what this is. Okay, I'm just saying, as a virgin woman, I don't know no virgins. Me not know a virgin man or a virgin woman would say to themselves, the girl who make a deal with, I want 2 of them. Being a virgin. It doesn't go that way. When a man is a virgin, he might, even if him watch fantasies of other people, of 3-sums, 4-sums, 5-sums, when a guy is a virgin, him only think about monogamy. Him never think about 2 girlfriends at once. Him is a virgin, him don't know what sex is. Even a girl, you ever hear a virgin girl say, you know what, I'm a virgin, but I just wish to marry 2 men. No, that comes with greed. That comes with gluttony. That comes with your fucked up religion. That's what the fuck it come with. No virgin talk like that. None. And if a virgin talk like that, they had a sick father. Very sick, cheating father. Or them grow up around men who dog women. No virgin man say, you know what? Yeah, so in the future, my girlfriend, my first girlfriend going to be 2. No virgin guy said that. No virgin woman say, you know what, in the future, yeah, my husband's, I want 2. That happens usually when you run through. And the claim said, me run through, so why am I still only want 1 man? Why am I only would I need, why would I only go after men who are monogamous, who only into dating 1 woman at a time and being with 1 woman at a time? Usually that's for the run through man. Run through man talk about 2 girl. They run through. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Virgo. So I'm not sure if somebody's trying to tell you, be a part of our dynamic. It's okay. So these 2 fuckers who fuck each other and I make people come in their bedroom, them want a virgin for corrupt. You have little to no sexual experience. Me not talk about freaky. Me not talk about like a freaky dynamic on YouTube where you know that the older woman them is making the younger girl or look like a babysitter them husband. We're not talking about that freaky type of fantasy. We're talking about you're not sexually experienced. Maybe you are, but you choose to stay single. Now a couple why you fuck them. When you're done fuck them, why you have to tell the man where you meet? It's not like you're maybe somebody want you single so you can explore your sexuality. You're a virgin, you don't know nothing. That don't mean you have to do everything. So again, you want to be single. Oh, you're single but you look too good. Come help me, I'm a man. And when we don't help and fuck you, when you and when not fuck no girl, so you would have to fuck, you and your man would have to be eating me, right? So when all the children don't fuck and two of them in a relationship, corrupt out, fuck, because them unhappy with each other, that's why they have to bring people in the bedroom. Why you must tell your man? You just don't fuck a girl and a guy. I got cut off, Virgo. Okay, so sorry about that. I need to probably start reading. Wait, Virgo. I still have my scar. A bald dental clinic. I can't say the name of the dental clinic who fucking injured scar my fucking face. You know, I can't talk about it for reasons. It was Bald Dent, B-A-A-L. I saw it name B-A-L-L. The one up the, I don't know where it there. I know, I don't know directions, right? It's them fuck up my face. Look how she do my face. Look how the fucking nasty blood clot technician. But say I'm not going to cuss me a blood clot cuss right now. Because I feeling some type of blood clot way this morning. Look at my fucking face, brody. Look how she do my face. You know that suction thing where you put it in your mouth for suck the saliva whenever do your teeth? The girl basically rest it on my jaw. She not hold it properly. She pushing the shit down my throat. Me I tell her, say, girl, yeah, make me gag. Right? 2 blood clot Indian bitches. Me don't care. My Canadian dental plan is with them. Make a blood clot talk. You dirty blood clot, nasty pussy bitches. Me coming down a blood clot, jealous no blood clot. Look how them fuck up my face. All over blood clot. Oh, bitch. That nasty pussy blood clot Indian dentist and nasty pussy Indian dental technician a blood clot bald dental. I wanna fuck up my blood clot face, so. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into the reading. You ever see me with a scar on my face this way? Not even when me a fight, girl. Not even when I'm fighting. Scar up on my blood clot face. See up on my hand. You see scar on my blood clot hand and everything. Face, brody. Cause the fucking blood clot dental technician and the fucking dentist can't do them fucking job properly. Me not go back. Me not fucking going back. Me have to find a new dentist. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Virgo. It's nasty pussy blood clot, bitch. I saw sometime when you're pretty, you can't go certain places. You think me can go hairdresser? Them cut off my blood clot here. You got doctor, them want you do all type of shit. The 10 of Cups just came out. That's a Pisces. That's also happiness or something about the family. Make it in something about the family. Virgo. I'm not sure if somebody's bringing you to a family doctor. I'm not sure if someone's trying to test if you're a virgin. I don't know what the fuck that is. That's creepy. So I'm getting something about the doctor, the family doctor, or I'm getting the family psychiatrist. Family psychiatrist. You have a family psychiatrist, something like that. Sorry, Virgo. Something about a family psychiatrist. We have a 10 of Cups. The 10 of Cups is also music. Again, it's a Pisces. We have a 10 of Pentacles. We have 10-10. This could be something about a lawsuit. We have a sue. We have 10-10 here. 10-10 is usually happiness, the family dynamic, money, inheritance. 10-10. Virgo. So I'm getting some of your family. We're also getting 2 families coming together. We're getting 2 families are coming together. One of the families are very, very rich. I'm not sure if the other family is rich, but they're very creatively, musically, videographically inclined. One of them come from arts and one of them come from wealth. This could be a family full of actors, singers, dancers, and the other family is a family full of factory workers. Something like that. We're getting 2 families coming together, Virgo. We have a 6 of Pentacles. Alright? Yeah, I'm getting literally this family want to help your family. I'm getting when somebody marry you, your whole family will get put on. I'm getting this is not a me marry you and your sister struggle over there. I'm getting when me marry you, your whole family okay. I'm getting that's the wealth will come with this arrangement, relationships. Now again, Virgo is a virgin. Now let me ask, would you think it's better for a virgin to stay with her first husband who keep beating her? Or to make her body count go to 2, which means she's a hoe, leaving him for a man who not gonna marry her again, but him will treat her right? Okay, let's continue the reading. We have the Hierophant, that's the marriage. Yeah, you're getting married. 2 families coming together. I'm getting a Taurus when I go before God, when I take an oath to each other. I'm getting big, this is a big family. It could be government, the Hierophant, or I'm getting something about this big payout. We have the 3 of Cups, that's celebration. I'm also getting 3 sisters, some about 3 girls. I'm not sure if you're marrying into a family full of girls, which can be very complicated, or you're marrying into a family. I'm getting some about bridesmaids, some about a bridemaid. And let me tell you something, women, if you don't have sisters, that is who's supposed to be a bridesmaid, even if that hoe is jealous of your new man. You don't make friends be your bridesmaids. That's not how it goes. That's why your marriages are fucked up. Friends don't be a bridesmaid. Unless are your best friend, best friend where you grow up with for long time. Friends don't be a bridesmaid. Your man don't have sisters. Why weren't them the bridesmaid? You have 12 bridesmaids like Jesus on the blood clot, but like Jesus had 12 disciples. Why you do with so much girl behind you and marry one man? I always say bridesmaid will go up to 3. Bridesmaids go up to 3. 1, 2 blood clot 3. One have sense, one are gonna be the party one, and one of them we don't know what the fuck that will turn out to be. Oh, you have so much girl behind you. I wed this man. Why wasn't his mother a bridesmaid? Does mothers usually get them time down the aisle? Because we know the fathers walk with the daughters. What the time the mother gets? How does the mother enter? Why the mother wasn't a bridesmaid? The man where you don't have sisters? Him not have no little nieces and nephews? Sometimes I see the weddings, I say this is a performance, this is a movie performance, and God knows the shit what happened behind closed doors. Anyways, the Hierophant, I'm getting something about 3. I'm getting something about bridesmaids. Maybe you're being invited to a wedding. I don't know if that's what it is. Or I'm getting something about a wedding singer. Do you sing at weddings? Or something like that? Please forgive me, I know not what I do. Please forgive me, I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me this pain I'm going through. Please forgive me, I need you like I do. Right, okay. I'm sorry, it was my wallpaper, literally. Yeah, I'm getting something about a wedding, a family dynamic. You're wedding into this family. Virgo. No, there's 3 women here. Are you marrying a man with 3 wives? That could be it. You're marrying a very wealthy man. Him already have 2 wives. You want to be the 3rd? Or you want to be the 3rd? That's what you want? Dumb hoe? That's what you want? I would never be a 3rd wife to no man. He could have been the prince of Dubai. Just like how Rihanna, you remember Rihanna did reject that prince? You remember that? I got cut off again, Virgo. But you know what's not gonna cut? My motherfucking thoughts. Bitch, I don't give a fuck if that man is the prince of Dubai. Him could have been the first slave owner with every fucking land in Europe. Me not be nobody's second wife, you're mad. First of all, the thought that you want a second woman does not make my vagina wet. So me don't even sexually stimulating enough attracted to you to have sex with you to be a second wife, knowing that you want to. To me, that's greed. Jesus was a virgin when he died. You know that? He was being We don't know if Mary Magdalene friend zoned Jesus or he was like, sweetie, I just like you for your personality. I don't want none from you. Either way, you think Jesus is getting ball suck? No. Just saying. Him died a fucking virgin for men. That's what happens when you put your life on the line for men. You die without getting a ball suck. Now, had he put his life on the line for a woman, maybe he would die with a happy fucking ending. Anyways, yeah, something here. Remember, Rihanna did leave the prince. We don't know if it's because he wanted more than one wife. We don't know what's happening. All we know that Rihanna was like this in that oil refinery bank account holder's face, because she never give a fuck. I guess she rather been a baby mother than a wife, one of many wives. I mean, to me that would have been more intelligent. I'd rather be a baby mother than one of many wives, one of 3 wives. I'd rather be a baby mother than one of 2 wives. Sweetie, that's what we're not gonna fucking do. We're not gonna do that. Natalie, none man is loyal to she. Baddie, shot a clock. Brody, don't make nobody corrupt your sexual body for them gain. Some of them married and unhappy and they can't divorce because they can't afford rent. Doug Ford hike up the fucking prices of rent and tax. Them can't move out. Them a bring people in them bedroom. Now if you're explorative, you have Sagittarius in your chart, chances are you will be open to that. But at the same time, girl, you have to remember when you do these sexual acts for fun with people who already, no matter what them do to each other, them not gonna leave each other. Where does that leave you? You still want a husband? You still want to find your man? Because I don't know how you're going to explain to your man, say, yeah, you know, or you never ever go and tell him. You'll never tell him that you had a threesome one time with a random couple. You make a random couple use your body. Is your body count 1, 1.5, or is it 2? Those girls count as 1? Okay, let's end it with this. Let's end it with the pink tarot. The 10 of Cups is clarified by the 9 of Pentacles. You're marrying her. I'm getting she's the one that the family is giving. Or I'm getting somewhat a Pisces. But I'm getting you're marrying this woman. The 10 of Cups, she makes you happy. And that's all that really matters. You're happy. That's the first thing you look for in a relationship, in a marriage. Does this person make me happy when I roam them? If it's yes, that's the first green flag for go ahead and continue to see where it can go. And you can't say you want a wife, but you're doing mind games with women you're dating because you don't want you to get bored. Sorry, if you're gonna be a husband, you're gonna be very bored, especially with those kids. 10 of Pentacles is clarified by the Strength card. I'm getting one family is very well. So I'm getting the girl you marry. It's wow. I mean, you're a wealthy man. Your girl should look good. Even if you don't have self-confidence. Even if your body is not the best it should be. You're wealthy. Your girl's supposed to look good. That is a God-given right. You don't have the money already. And usually, if you're wealthy and you don't look good, and you're with a good-looking girl, them say she with you for money. I think that's your right. You're wealthy. He's a wealthy man. Why your girl can't look good? You convince yourself that personality matter. Tell that to Donald Trump. Because while he was telling you guys to get rid of fucking immigrants, his wife has an accent. Okay. You think his personality did draw Donald Trump to Melania? Hello, Melania? Do you have something to say, Melania? Melania, you can say it. Yes, right? 6 of Pentacles is clarified by the Tower card. The Hierophant is clarified by the 2 of Cups. Yeah, that's who you're going to be with. 2 of Cups. I'm getting this is arranged. The 3 of Cups is clarified by the 4 of Pentacles. I'm getting if you want to be with this woman, it have to be monogamous. You, her, before God. You ain't have to, I ain't gonna say hold off, but this have to done. I'm getting you literally have to stop talking to these people. I don't know if your exes or girls who you potentially used to date. And I always say, if a man phone full up of girls, why you don't date one of them? You tell me say every girl that no friends on you? Every girl that know have a man. And if she have a man, how she hang out with you? So me know cheating always in the mix. You can't say you have a girl as a friend or she have a man. Is she hanging out with you? Who a pay for the dates when she hang out with you? Her man knows that she hang out with you? And if you have be a girl on your phone, why not there with one of them? Why are you on a dating site? Why you look for another girl? Why you look for a girl for marry when you have so much girl? You just want the validation of women who you're not attracted to? What is it? Some cheating allegation, some cheating is going to be in the mix. Any man will have be a girl named phone. You know they with none of them.